Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm going to try to show you something. I don't know if I'll be successful, but this morning I was thinking I want to listen to Shortwave, and it is really overcast here, so I can't receive anything on any of my radios. So I got on Kiwi SDR using my tablet, and I found a station, and I just using WWV at 10 megahertz as a test source, and it's picking it up fine. You can see it's got a nice big signal. Now the problem was with using a tablet, the volume is not real loud. Plus, if I move away from the tablet, I can barely hear the signal. And I don't want to turn the volume up too high because it'll disturb my wife, who is sleeping right now. So I was thinking, what can I do? I could get a Bluetooth radio, another Bluetooth radio, but and I thought, in the winter, because it's about 75 in our house, I wear quite often a beanie or a sock cap. And I remembered that I had one that had Bluetooth speaker capability built in. It's got speaker built in, and it's got a light built in. So I said, well, let's see if I can get this via Bluetooth connect to this. And I did. And it worked great. Now, unfortunately, you can't hear it. But what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to put my beanie up by my cell phone camera and see if it'll pick it up. Here we go. Okay, I can hear it. I think this is where trying to look at my cell phone and see where I'm pretty sure the microphone's down here. Okay, it's on the beeps right now, WWV. I'm trying to listen to it while you're listening to it. Coming up in a minute. Okay, there was the announcement on the minute. I don't know if you heard it or not, but this is pretty cool. They sell 1 billion of these on Amazon, different sellers. This one is called the Music Hat. I think it's about $25. I'll put it in my Amazon store if you want to get it through my Amazon store. I think it's pretty cool though. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you got a comment, leave a comment. Thanks. Bye-bye.